So, here's going to be a new series on my channel, Crazy Bill's Garage, where I'm going to fix up my Toyota Previa here and hopefully get her back on the road. It's the all-wheel drive version, so she's a sweet one. What a cute little van, though. I have always loved driving this. I drove this thing for over 10 years. I loved it constantly. Boy, you sure can hear that music today from Winnipeg Beach Concert over there. Wow. Yeah, they have concerts over there. But look at this thing. She's been sitting in the bushes here for probably over a year, 2 years since I really drove it. Because, well, it needs a lot of fixing up. And that is what I plan on doing since I got a lot of parts for it that I was going to do to it before I hit a deer. Now, the deer damaged her pretty good. Had to put a new hood on it, which does not fit great. I'm going to get that all figured out here too. And lights, the lighting system, there is none. Those lights do not work anymore or anything like that. So I'm going to have to get a lighting system in this and a radiator, because this radiator leaks pretty bad. It's pretty shot. And I also have a problem with my, what's it called, their heater fan. So I gotta fix that up. Plus a bunch of other things, plus the exhaust is falling off. So I got a few things to do here. So I'm pretty sure I can get her done. But I've had her parked here for a while, and wow, she is really in here in these, I don't know, these tall bushes here. I got a trailer back here too, I think. Yep, there it is. So, ooh, mosquito haven back here. I better move back out. So, let me get her pulled out of the bushes here to a spot where I can actually, maybe assess the van a little better. There we go. I got a battery in her. Let me find the keys. Still gotta figure out a thing to do with these lights. I have some ideas. Something. Oh, I gotta get through here. Oh man. Oh, I hope the wood tick season's over, or I'll be covered in them. I think I locked it. Oh, mosquito season is going crazy. Okay, let's get her out of here. I see I got a tire in my passenger seat. I think I have it full back here. Oh my word. Let's see. She starts. There we go. She did pull out of there. So this is good. So there we go. I got her out of the spot. Let me take a better look at her. Oof, she sure has rusted quite a bit in the last couple of years sitting around. Oof. But underside is still really good. So I'm going to still fix her up so maybe I can drive her some in the winter here. Got the all-wheel drive system. Never ever really got stuck in with this thing. Wow, she was here and she has, wow, these things got, look at this. She's got plants growing all around her. Oh, it's gonna be a job, but, and I know this thing is rusted severely on the outside. Underneath, she's all still like brand new. This poor fender's dented in. Nothing I can do about that. Definitely needs a new muffler. I'll probably do that. But I've been thinking about this and thinking, had her for a long time and I want to get her back going, and I'm feeling this is the way to do it and the time to do it. I need something to get me back into making some more Toyota Previa videos, which I like to always do, and this is what I'm gonna do. Well, Hope you'll watch. Hope you'll stay tuned for this series. And, well, thanks for watching.